Hi guys, this is Wizard1 bringing you another unboxing and full review video. Today we will be looking at the SJCAM SJ5000 Wi-Fi enabled action cam. I bought this on Amazon for $146.99 from SJCAM's official Amazon storefront. There are tons of other resellers selling this for cheaper, but I'd rather buy directly from SJCAM as they offer a limited 1-year warranty. I've reviewed previous SJCAM action cams before, and I found that the features and build quality of their action cams are on par with the likes of GoPro. The biggest advantage with SJCAM's action cams would definitely be the price, which can sometimes be as much as 50% cheaper than the price of a comparable GoPro model. The SJCAM SJ5000 features an advanced 14 megapixel Panasonic image sensor that does full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second. It has 3 pre-programmed field of vision options ranging from narrowed 70 degrees up to a wide 170 degrees. With the SJ5000, you have 2 options when it comes to reviewing your recorded videos. You can use the built-in 2-inch LCD display, or you can use your Android or iOS smartphone, download the SJCAM app and connect to it via Wi-Fi. Not only is the SJ5000 an action camera, which is waterproof up to 30 meters in its included housing, but you can also use it as a still camera capturing up to 3 photos per second, or as a car DVR dash cam. Lastly, it's powered by a removable 900 mAh battery, which they claim can record up to 90 minutes continuously on one charge, and it's recorded directly onto a micro SD card up to 64 gigabytes. Okay, so let's just open this up and see what this comes with. Okay, so let's just open this up now. Okay, so we have the camera itself in its housing, waterproof housing. We have 2 bands, I guess, to put on your arm. We have 2 adhesive mount. We have a standard micro USB cable and a plastic lens cap for the actual device. Inside also comes with a whole bunch of other accessories. So we have a bicycle stand mount. We have a clip-on mount, so you can clip this onto like your backpack or your shirt or something. It also has a mount on the bottom there for if you want to put it on a tripod. We have a adapter again for putting onto a tripod. We have a switch support. We have another switch support. We have mounts here for mounting onto a bicycle helmet. This is a fixed base mount. We have another switch support mount. This would be a back door for it if you want to record with audio. We have the manual, which comes in, I think, in various languages. Yep. We have a microfiber cleaning cloth. And lastly, some SJCAM random stickers. So that's really it in terms of the unboxing part of this video. Stay tuned. I will be filming some, I guess, I'm not going anywhere exotic, so I'm just going to probably use this as a dash cam, and so you can see at least an example of the quality of the video. Let's just actually look at the actual camera itself. So how does this open up? Okay, so it slides and opens like that. So that's the waterproof housing. So you have the camera itself, on buttons there. We have the volume or the Wi-Fi button. On the side here, we have the micro USB plug. We have the micro SD cable, and we have, I believe that is a HDMI out. Okay, oops. Okay, so that just comes off completely. There's no hinge on that. And then if you just pull this out, that's the 900 milliamp hour battery. So I am going on a little cruise in the end of November, so maybe I'll film some stuff with that. But for the time being, I'll just be using this as a dash cam in our review. Okay, I'm not really liking this already, but okay. Oh, this is a bit cumbersome. Oh, I'm putting it in the wrong way. Okay, there we go. So that's the cam. It's really small, standard size for an action cam. So stay tuned, and we will do some example videos of this in action. This has been Wizard1 bringing you the unboxing of the SJCAM SJ5000 action cam. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you'll receive updates whenever new videos are posted and the full review of this SJCAM 5000 is posted. Thank you for watching, and have a great night.